Our date started a little challenging because of the rain. We are supposed to go around Buchan, hence our first location, which is Onion Cafe. From our urban, we just took the subway. Cafe Onion is a popular cafe in Seoul for its a Hanok-themed cafe, best place for breakfast. The best tip that I can give is to come early. People started to line up around 7 a.m. when we arrived. The turnaround of customers are fast. After getting our seats, we line up to get our pastries. Another tip, no line for takeaway clients. You can just grab pastries and coffee to go. We decided to have all our activities indoor, so we just took subway again too.
Wow. Wow.
Lunchtime, trying out Loteria for the first time.
Dutyfree na produção.
We just ordered cheeseburger and chicken burger combo. Rain stopped for a while, so we decided to explore outside. That's Seoul Sky, by the way. Adjacent to the Lotte Mall, we also explore Seongsu Lake. In case you don't know, Seongsu Lake is also a cherry blossom spot, but it all fell now. That's it, our day. It is finally over. Hope you enjoy our chill itinerary and
See you on my next one. Bye!